Hi Pre-K, hi Kinder, it's Miss Al Sayed. Today what we're going to be working on for our art project is something that has to do with a home. So there's obviously things inside our home and there are things outside our home. And sometimes when we look outside of a home, we don't really know what's inside, right? So today we're gonna have a little bit of fun when it comes to the difference between inside and outside of a home. So what you're going to need today is a piece of white paper. So I have one long piece of white paper like this that I'm going to fold like a book style, just like that. So my paper, fold it in the middle, hamburger style or horizontally. I don't want to fold it like this because it's too long and our house might look a little weird. We might not have enough room. So you're going to fold it like that, and then you're also going to need a pair of scissors and something to draw with. Also, if you have something to color with, that's perfect too. So you're going to take your paper and we are going to cut a line coming across. So if I look at this paper, you're going to cut a line coming across. You can draw it first, and mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever's at home can help you, but you're going to cut a line. So I want to make sure that my line is not cutting on the folded end. My line is being cut on the open end. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to draw a line to help me trace first. It's okay if the line isn't perfect. So you're going to have your line drawn. See, the end of this line is towards the folded end, and you're just going to cut along that line. If you need help, you can always ask mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever's at home. So I'm taking my paper and I'm cutting across, just like that. Now we look like we have the top of a triangle at the top of this thing, and then the bottom is like a square or a rectangle. Miss Al Sayed, what are we doing? What do you mean? What's going on? Okay, let's see what happens when we open it up. What shape does it make? It looks like a what? A house! We are making a house. So on the outside ends, you're going to draw the outside of a house. So very normal looking outside. What are some things that we have on the outside of a house? Windows, doors, maybe flowers, maybe a fence. Maybe you're going to draw a dog outside or a cat. So I'm going to show you my example. So I drew on one side of my folded part, so I'll show you the outside. I drew a door, a window over here, an open window over here, maybe some flowers lining. I drew the roof. It looks pretty normal. Now, on the inside of the house, I want you to get as creative as possible, and you're gonna draw something out of this world, something that you wouldn't find on the inside of the house. So I drew something like a princess with a candy land. I'm not finished with mine, but I drew something that wouldn't really be there. And I'm going to color it with all crazy different colors, and then when I fold it, it's a surprise because what's on the outside doesn't look like what's on the inside. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Please, 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 parents, send it to Class Dojo on your class and tag me in it, and I would love to see what your student has created. Okay, bye-bye.